So I'm in the well now when I'm cleaning. We're taking out water. And I got a bucket. Yeah, rough work. So almost done, but a lot of implied tasks like getting this water here and throwing it out. Okay, like that. So to recuperate a natural water source, 400 plus years is no joke in this situation. But I'm almost done. I got my team with me. I'm in here. I like to get dirty. And then I have to clean everything. I'm almost gonna need another 2-3 days, and then we're gonna fix the broken parts. Because it's old, it's made of stone. And then yeah, we will refill it, clean, fresh and anew, and I will have a permanent, natural, eco-friendly, perpetual water source coming from the spring. Okay, so I hope you like this farm vlog, and I will see you in another one very soon.